I love afternoon tea, whether it's the classic English version or Chinese yum cha. I can't get enough.
If you're looking for some fresh inspiration for your next spread, I'm going to blend the two to make a mouth-watering fusion feast.
My favourite savoury bites has to be char siu pastry puffs. My version is an East meets West fusion, a Chinese filling wrapped in a Western puff pastry.
I marinate pork fillet with garlic, ginger, Shaoxing rice wine and Li Kum-Kee's char siu sauce. This will give a beautiful honey sweet and savoury flavour. A touch of premium dark soy sauce for a rich colour, then roast. When cooked, dice into cubes, then mix in some char siu sauce and sprinkle over with fresh chives. Add a teaspoon of this filling between 2 puff pastry triangles and seal the edges. Brush with egg wash, sprinkle with sesame seeds and bake until golden. Serve with Li Kum-Kee's Char chili oil for a spicy Moorish kick. Super yum!
Afternoon tea would not be complete without sandwiches, and I've got the perfect Chinese-style sandwich that will have your guests wanting more. My Kung Pao baked chicken sandwich.
For a delicious crispy filling, I like to coat butterflied chicken breasts with flour, egg and panko breadcrumbs and then bake. Once cooked, use a piece of toasted white bread as a guide and trim off the excess. Then spread some mayonnaise on one slice and Li Kum-Kee's Kung Pao chicken stir-fry sauce on the other. This will give a spicy kick to the sandwich. Layer on some tomato slices and fresh crunchy lettuce. And serve by cutting into quarters or simply slice in half. Toasty, crispy and spicy. So delish.
Next up is some super easy finger food, my spicy grilled prawns.
Marinate some fresh tiger prawns in Li Kum-Kee's Kung Pao chicken stir-fry sauce for 10 minutes. A beautiful tangy piquant flavour. Place on the griddle and cook for 30 seconds on each side, coating with butter. Once cooked, dip into some freshly chopped chives and sesame seeds. Place some fresh ginger and Li Kum-Kee's seasoned rice vinegar into shot glasses for an umami tang. Then either serve the prawns on top or skewer them to make lollipops. Truly scrumptious.
Finally, the perfect sweet treat, my mini scones with clotted cream and soy strawberry compote.
For the dough, I mix flour, salt, butter, caster sugar and milk. Then roll it out, cut into individual scone pieces, brush with beaten egg and bake until golden. For the compote, add strawberries, water and sugar to a pan and cook down. Then add Li Kum-Kee's Double Deluxe soy sauce for a rich, savoury flavour to complement the sweetness of the compote. Once cooled, serve with the scones and a dollop of clotted cream. So yum!
So there it is, afternoon tea with a Chinese twist. Let me know in the comments below your favourite afternoon tea dishes, and don't forget to subscribe for some more recipe ideas.